Hi, my name is Saxon Funk and I'm the owner of Wild Oak Trail. We're an authorized dealer for the Nature's Head composting toilet. In our last video, we showed you what the unboxing contents look like, and now we're just going to give you a quick run view of how to use your Nature's Head composting toilet. So just like any other toilet, it's got a lid that opens up, but there are a few differences here. So no matter if you're a male or a female, they do recommend that you do sit down if you're going to go for number one. The reason being is there's no water in this, and there's also no room for a splashback. So if you take a look in the inside, you're going to see that there are two holes, and that's where your liquids go. And they actually contain in this unit here, and that's what makes the Nature's Head composting toilet so revolutionary, is that it actually separates your liquids and your waste. So this also helps to compartmentalize any smells and odors. The second part that's different is when you actually go for number two, you're going to open this up here. And so you can use paper, toilet paper if you want. You can also store it in a garbage bag if you want. The only difference will be is when we discuss, this is called cocoa core, and this is how we stop any odors from the solids. The cocoa core and your toilet paper, they're just going to compost at a different rate. But there is nothing wrong with using toilet paper for your number two. So we're just going to go ahead and open this up now. We have to take off the latches. It's got a very unique design. This actually just slides off, and the top of our head is now off. As I mentioned in the last video, they've got very good sealants in here, and this is also what helps to be able to control any of the odors. And there's also a 12-volt fan that is built into this as well. And this is where you would plug it in, is on this side here. So the way that you get your cocoa core ready is for about roughly every pound, you want to soak it for a few hours in a gallon of water. What's going to happen is this is very, very dense stuff, so it's going to actually flake apart with the water as it soaks. When you know it's ready is when you are able to grab a handful of it and you squeeze it. You don't want water dripping out of it. You want it just to be moist. So what we would do at that point is we would throw it into here. You want just enough to be able to be above the agitator. So every time you go for number two, you would give this a quick little agitation, and that's what would stir up the cocoa core and also would stir up your solid waste. Now the second part is going to be the liquids container. So as we saw, the head of it actually caps this off nicely, but when you want to go ahead and empty it, it does come with a cap, and you simply just lift it up just like this. Now, you are going to get, for if you have two people, this is going to need to be emptied out about every 2 to 3 days for the liquids. For the waste, you're able to do that every 1.5 to 2 weeks. And the way that you simply empty this is you just put a garbage bag over top of here, empty it out, put in new cocoa core into here, and you're ready to go. Some people like to do a deep clean about every month or two. That's up to you. It's not necessary, but I do understand why people do it. And whenever you put in the new cocoa core, just again, make sure that you agitate it 2 to 3 times to make sure that it's been churned. So that's been a quick rundown of how to use your Nature's Head composting toilet. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call toll free at 844-945-3625. We're also available by chat at wildoaktrail.com. Hope to earn your business, and thank you for watching.